full of juice today.
We're full of juice. Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky. I don't know why I keep doing this. So of course we're giving you an extra 5 minutes.
What did you bring? I saw some people masturbate, you know.
Tracy, that's not what I'm doing. I'm fixing my bottom.
Like in the office if you see a girl doing that.
Stop that! This is the first 2 minutes of the show. Stop it!
Sometimes they put the heel.
No, all right. Okay, so what I really, no, I'm afraid to do that because now I look like I'm just getting off on Tuesdays with Tricky. Would you stop? Let me fix my legs. Good Lord of His mercy, man. So we're sipping on a lot of things today, but the first thing we're sipping on is a new Christmas flavors from Lady Bee Mixology, and they are absolutely delicious. Oh, that one has grapefruit. But what I was talking to Tracy, so as you can see, I've gotten a little
Whoa!
Christmas, eh? Oh, holy night.
These stars are really shine. Mine is strawberry, cinnamon, vanilla, and it's made with gin.
Mine is raspberry grapefruit kisses, and it's also made with gin. It's good, eh?
Let me taste yours.
Switch, okay.
How come they taste so good though?
Because it's Christmas. So Tracy was just, wow. Oh, this one has extra vanilla in here. I like it. Tracy was just noticing how long my hair had gotten for.
Good tidings we bring to you.
Kin. You saw
Hi.
So there's glitter everywhere in your car
Oh,
and on your daughter's tongue, and she's eating Wendy's with glitter.
Okay. I hate glitter. It's okay. I'll call Bully because there's bare patty in my car.
You do not hate glitter.
Sean, I cannot stand the glitter.
You do it every carnival.
This
That's
one would
carnival.
definitely be your favorite. The grapefruit on this one is not. It's really on my tongue.
Acidic?
Acidic.
But I like it because not all drinks can be sweetie.
But I think after drinking my sweetie,
I like the grapefruit.
I love the vanilla in this.
So Tracy was just talking about how long my
You like
hair
to
was.
try?
And I was like, well, every time my hair gets long like this, I always ask Tracy to trim it. And then we started talking about the weeder style of cutting hair. So you have your curly hair and the hairdresser like clips the ends of your curls. And to me, yeah man, alright. And to me, that makes absolutely no sense because this curl, in my entire lifetime, these strands of hair will never curl back to this curl. So if you're clipping it here, or then you straighten your hair, the cut is not going to be even.
That's correct. The wee dad way of cutting, some people really get off on it, and I just have never really thought to myself that that's what I would want to do when I was a hairstylist.
Yeah.
So what I would do is I would give the perimeter cut a proper trimming, and then on the inside, if I wanted to do something similar to the wee dad way of cutting, because you get the layers or whatever, then I would do that. But you know, the perimeter for me is what is, when you blow dry your hair, you straighten it out, then that needs to be constantly the same, you know? So
I don't know. I don't like cutting my hair dry. I've done it once, and not only that, but the hairdresser who cut my hair dry, I cried. He brushed out my hair. You don't brush out or comb out curly hair.
Now, when you cut your hair dry for curly hair, you would have to straighten it and flat iron
man
it.
cut your hair.
You see?
Come on, make a man cut your hair as a woman. I'm sorry, I'm just kidding. Yes.
So I'm just going to leave I'm just going to leave the ends for now because I don't think I'm due a trim. Oh, it's where 1:30. Alright.
If you keep on doing your things in the shower, your treatment, you'll be okay.
Yeah.
You'll be
so
okay.
I'm not going to cut my hair. Alright, we are now live over on Instagram waiting for viewers to join us. Jodi is here.
Hi,
Joe. Cher is here.
Hi, Cher.
Kay is here. Hi, everybody. Jammy Jams is here. Sharika is here. You know, I love you guys. I feel like I should give everybody a Christmas present. Sean, I can give everybody a Christmas present out of your money?
That one,
Wow, okay.
That one don't sound too positive.
No,
But,
okay.
next
Alright.
time, one by one, we'll get to it. One by one.
But speaking of gifts, let's say, everybody, welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside of the closet and bring you in here for an hour of fun, frolic, and foolishness.
Frolic going in here too. What? Sorry, alright, I'm going up.
The frolic goes on here. So if you guys have read the caption when we posted, or when I posted, Tracy does none of the back end work. When I posted the video
Excuse
to YouTube.
me, you know what I want to say? I did a lot of the back end work, and so I've had Stevie, and so yes, I have been lazy for 6 months. I've also been very stressed out. I'm still not getting a handle on this new life I have as a mother, okay? I spent 36 years thinking about myself selfishly. And now I have a little nugget that's constantly with me.
Well, so in the caption last week, I posted, if you can comment down below with one of the flavors Tracy and I are drinking, we will give you a $50 Amazon Amazon gift card. So only a few people read the caption, and it's very difficult to pick winners on YouTube. I know one time my editor had done, like you do hashtags.
Anyway, so we have them in a cup.
We have them in a cup. So this is how we randomly do it.
I just want to let everybody out there know how much I love my husband. I love him so very much.
How you reach there, Tracy?
I just felt like
I'm
saying
sick of your husband thing now. Who's the winner?
Catherine W.
Catherine W. We're gonna comment also below the comments on YouTube. Watch him just come in. Scott says I win. You know we know you and your wife. So Catherine, congratulations to you. We're gonna reach out to you, and you have won yourself a $50 Amazon gift card courtesy of Tuesdays with Tricky for reading the description and commenting down below one of the drinks that we drank last week. But it's all about this week's drinks. Lady Bee Mixology has out her Christmas flavors.
And I love this one.
I'm surprised, Tracy. I'm so surprised.
I know, usually I like grapefruit.
Yes.
But I think because I had
What
this...
flavor are you drinking?
I think I had this one first. Strawberry, cinnamon, vanilla. And it's made with gin. And I really like this one.
This one is raspberry grapefruit kisses, and it's also made with gin. But this one is a little bit more tart because of the grapefruit. And I thought Tracy would love this one. This one is sweetie, and she loves it. It's very vanilla.
Very vanilla.
That one tastes like Christmas. This one is like...
I could drink that at a party all night long. If a carnival party came, I could drink that.
True.
I could not drink this one all night long. This is a nice, like, by the fire. Or, you know, since we're in Jamaica, by the ackee tree.
I'll drink anything Lady Bee Mixology gives me.
That is true.
Are these available in Canada? Not yet, I don't think. Lady Bee, we need to do we need to do a big pop-up where we can meet everybody. You can buy Lady Bee Mixology. Because honestly, wow, that was great.
I know. I still love the cider one.
Yeah?
Did you order that for Christmas Day?
Oh no. Which one?
Oh! Or for Christmas Eve? Which one you want?
Alright, let me write it down. And let me write it down to message her after.
Okay. Anyway,
yes, I have a list. That's how I work life.
Talking about great Christmas drinks, right? Not to take away. So you get talking about great Christmas drinks. So
we're so far away from the comments though.
I can see them.
Hi Drew.
So I was
shake.
what am I saying? So after you guys said about the eggnog and I asked for people to recommend the best eggnog person, I actually gave that eggnog person to a friend of mine who did an interview with the eggnog person, and the eggnog lady, who is Chef Jenny, she sent an eggnog over to tell us thank you. To tell me thank you for giving her name. And I wasn't supposed to have eggnog on the show today, but when I tasted it, it tastes so good.
Chef Jenny Aguan, you know?
Chef Jenny Aguan.
It's very nice.
Scott and I actually fought over she sent 2, but Scott and I actually fought over it yesterday.
You know what, to be honest with you, I have not had a bad eggnog this Christmas.
What? I have not. This is the first eggnog I've had in a very long time, and I stopped drinking eggnog.
Because you had a bad eggnog?
I had repeatedly bad eggnog.
Really?
Yes.
So there's some good eggnogs around. I had a good eggnog last week. I had an eggnog from Simmons. Needs to be thinned down a little bit, which is fine because you just add more liquor. This is a good eggnog.
So she is from Alechant.tantalize. ALLECHANT.tantalize. Alechant Tantalize. So this was from Chef Jenny, and I really liked it.
Is there liquor in there?
Yeah, girl.
Are you serious?
I was feeling very
No
buzzy.
way.
I was feeling very buzzy last night. Very
Alright,
buzzy.
Chef Jenny, big up your good self. Nice, clean, good self with your egg and your nog.
Yeah, it is so good
Yeah.
though. So it is made with dairy. And it is made with rum and other spirits. Yeah.
Yes, a punch of creme from Trinidad. Oh God, you know I need a nut. Send it, send it.
Yes, Scott is in there, the eggnog shot. He wanted to finish the eggnog in the fridge last night. And I was like, you can't, it's for the show today. Anyway. There we go.
So do you guys remember a few weeks ago when you guys helped me to pick out the outfit for Remy and her school pictures, and I showed you the backdrop, we showed you the shoes. Drop a heart if you're ready to see the picture. You're not ready for this. You're not. I would add them there.
No hearts?
No hearts.
Nobody wants to see
Remy?
Remy's school picture?
Oh my. The heart them upon delay. Oh no. Nobody. Or maybe take a look at this little pumpkin.
Lord of mercy. She's sweet. Bad. Mm-hmm.
Isn't that cute?
Mm-hmm.
Auntie Stephanie recombed her hair, gave her a little bang action. Look at her little hands, how she holding her dress. So
It's
sweet.
the dimples for me though.
And Auntie Stephanie said the shoes that I picked out were flops. So she's like, she's going barefoot. So them just clean off her toe corner, because you know, Remy toe corner always dirty. And then she crossed her little feet.
I know.
Oh
I felt-
gosh. This is so rude to whisper.
Sorry.
So rude to whisper. Okay, guys, so our representative for the Miss Jamaica Universe Continent competition, Diana Soares, she did really well. She did not make it to the semi-finals, but she held herself so nicely. She looked so beautiful in the costume. She looked great in her dress. She's from St. Elizabeth, and I love when she's posting, she'll say, hey Jamrock, and she'll just include us with asking a question or something on her post. She did really, really well. I think the competition is it tonight? I don't know when it is. I don't know.
Miss India won.
Oh, she won already? Oh yes, that's right. That's right.
Did you see Miss America?
No.
Oh, because Miss America apparently had your wig on.
Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
Which one? Which one of my wigs?
I show you one of my friends dropped it off in my
Yes, the best parish.
Yeah, have to say.
And she's what does that say?
One of my friends
Hamptonian?
said Miss USA borrowed Jodi's wig.
Yes, why does she have that? Watch it. Who that? Who that? Hi Levi, how was class party? Did mommy bring all the right things to the party?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You can tell everybody hi and then wait for me downstairs. Look at Remy's school picture. How does that look?
Wow.
You like how she looks? She looks sweet? Yeah? Don't worry, when the photographer comes on Thursday, you can get a picture by yourself, okay?
Wait.
Okay.
Wait, do you want to tell me hi and give me a kiss?
He poke out his bottom at you. Close this door.
The other day I was like, Levi, come and kiss me. So I started to hold him and I just took him piss because next thing I know he farted
On you. My kids are very farty, you know.
He just said,
My kids are
I was
very,
like,
very farty.
Ew. Get off from me.
But we just want to take a moment to celebrate the little wins in life, because a little win to somebody may be a big win to somebody else. We are 11,000 strong over on YouTube, and I think that's such a great accomplishment. And we just want to thank everybody for coming along on the journey with us. And you know, it does, I mean, about she, but it does take a while to put together the content. And you know, big up to my editor Kenrick, thank you so much for doing what you do, and I really do appreciate you. And just to get the content out to you guys, you know, it really takes a lot behind the scenes. So thank you very much. We appreciate you, and we thank you for thanking us. And we know you love your Tuesdays with Tricky, so make sure you ask a friend to subscribe and you drop a like, because Levi, so I've lent him my tripod and he loves it. Would you like to come and show everybody? Tell him about your channel, Levi. Come. You gonna tell him about your
The
channel?
only person that chats more than Jodi. Here's Levi.
Wait, Mom.
Yes.
Wait.
What?
We're gonna do something funny.
Okay.
So look.
Wait, who said you could be on Tuesdays with Tricky? This is my show. Did you ask me?
Sorry. Guess what?
He's just
The
ignoring
same
you.
thing that when I came up here,
Yeah.
when you said hi,
Excuse me.
let's do the same
Okay.
thing.
Sorry,
So we're
he's
gonna-
redoing his entry.
We're
Okay.
gonna repeat, okay?
Big up to all of the nurses and the doctors and to all of the staff over at the Spanish Town Hospital. We just want to thank you so much for Yay!
Hi, hey, Levi.
What's up? How you doing, Levi? Welcome, welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a guest today on Tuesdays with Tricky. His name is Levi Henriquez and he is a brand new YouTuber on the block. You have to talk. You have to talk.
So anyway, I had a couple things that I wrote down that I wanted to talk about.
Yeah,
now.
things I wrote down I want to talk about too.
Okay, well maybe we should get to that. I wanted to talk to you guys about here we go.
What?
Reframing your day. So there was a article that came out that said, you know, how to deal with the best advices that they had in their lives, right? And this one was reframing your day. It said, instead of feeling that you lost the day after one bad morning, instead reframe each day as 4 quarters: morning, midday, afternoon, and evening. If you blow one quarter, just get back on track with the next one. Win small. No, fail small, not big.
Okay.
I like that
Yeah,
idea.
yeah.
I like that idea. So you can be like, okay, you know, my morning sucked, but my afternoon
Afternoon
was
was gonna be
great.
great.
Guys,
Yeah.
you wanna see my new app?
Show them.
You have an app?
Yep.
Oh, you worked hard on that, eh? I like your hair. That hairstyle is nice.
Carno for comb my hair nice and proper.
That look good.
Cool. It's an app that shows you stuff that are in things. Look. So look at that.
Is that my Fitz clothing?
Oh, it shows you the ingredients of the Lady Bee Mixology stuff.
And
No,
this-
not your late. We just pulled the winner for the YouTube channel. It's Catherine W. We did a
Guys.
random poll.
Guys, look at
So
this.
anyway, so also, right, I want to talk about, is it okay to be drunk on Christmas Day? I want to talk about this. So I'm like really anxious all the time, right? Especially when it comes to a lot of people in settings. Like, it takes me a little while to just calm down and feel okay. So usually I like a one drink or something, but I can't manage too much. So on Christmas Day, I would say being drunk is definitely okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a celebratory times. I find that when you have celebrations, that's when you drink. That's when drinks are pouring. That's when drinks are being served, and it's.
Hold on. Champagne Chrissy dares to say no.
No. Hold on. Who? Champagne Chrissy says no drinking to be drunk.
No,
on Christmas Day.
Champagne Chrissy. Champagne Chrissy.
The username is
Champagne Chrissy.
Maybe it's champagne. It says champagne. I don't understand.
I think so. What Miss Chin said. Yeah. So once I'm not at work, I want to be drunk.
That's Miss Chin. She's over at the Spanish Town Hospital. She's a nurse over at the Spanish Town Hospital.
Miss Chin said when she not at work, she want me drunk. Good on Miss Chin.
Yes.
I do that.
That's the life. That's the life.
Jodi and Max says Levi is so cute.
I
I am wiping that.
Okay, so my next thing I want to ask is, tell me, comment below, what is your what is your favorite dish on Christmas Day? But I also want to remind you guys about the rice and peas. I think that those go really underrated because, you know, I think Christmas Day you do the extra coconut, you put the extra thyme in there.
Yeah.
And if you don't have the rice and peas, what's the gravy gonna go on? Y'all have to big up the rice and peas, man. Come on.
It's true. I only put like a little bit of rice and peas, but I'm sorry. I look forward to my Christmas ham. I get it from Hamilton's and it's already sliced. It has that nice sugary coating on the outside. But that's actually something that I wanted to speak to you about today. Have you guys ever heard of sorrel glazed ham?
Wow, that sounds nice.
It sounds so good. So I just want to big up my friend. He doesn't know I exist, but it's okay. My friend, Cooking with Shane 876. He's Cooking with Shane 876 on TikTok, on YouTube, and on Instagram. So I was watching his video. Happy birthday, by the way, Cooking with Shane 876. He was doing he's very cute too, by the way. By the way, he was doing a video of his sorrel glazed ham.
Is he single? Because I was on one belly girl.
I saw him the other day like he was getting ready to go on a date. I don't know if that date worked out.
But that's a one belly girlfriends, you know.
Yo, he cooks Sunday dinner with 2 meats.
What?
Yes, babe.
Can I write something in this?
Sure, let me give it to you and you write. Sit right here because this is an adult show. We might talk about
somebody. Turkey with the stuffing. I love the stuffing too. My mom makes a really good stuffing. She uses a stovetop stuffing, but she makes a really good. She does her own little
she adds things. She adds
modifications
love, cranberries,
and olives,
celery. She adds some stuff to it, man.
It always tastes so good.
That's my old classmate.
Oh, adrenaline nutrition.
Him can cook, man.
Him can cook.
Him can cook. I wonder, like, if we could invite him over on Saturday for the madness and make him, not make him cook for us, but ask him to cook for us.
Wait, we have to invite over some single lasses.
Well, we have to find out if he's single because I saw him going on a date once a couple months ago, so maybe the date worked out. So you guys can follow me. He does amazing and wonderful. He does amazing and wonderful Jamaican recipes. He puts out a meal almost every day.
So hold on, Spicy Tuna has curry goat at their Christmas dinner.
Yeah, I've heard of that.
And so ODP Funze ODP has roasted pork.
Hola, Mexico. Roasted. Lala has roasted pork.
Yes, she does. Maria from
Drinks.
Mexico. What do you have for your Christmas dinner? Like, what do you have? You know, tamales, maybe. I don't know.
I loved taking the extra plate.
Miss Chin is like
Miss Chin's very naughty. You see when she come off of work, you see when Miss Chin leaves Spanish Town Hospital, all hell break loose.
Anyway, tonight is the last night for the Bachelor. We will see who Michelle has picked.
Yo, the other day, Scott and Tracy were just randomly talking. Oh, this was on Sunday. And Scott, our spaces beside each other on the couch, right? So my brother-in-law was beside me and he goes, babe. So I said, yes, I joke. So he said, babe, who do you think Michelle going to choose on the Bachelorette? And I was like so disappointed. I was like, my brother-in-law watched them foolish.
Guys, why don't you talk about my new school?
We will. We'll get to that. I was like, you have brother-in-law in on Bachelorette too?
Yes.
Which one is
Jodi and Scott have their own little like friendship, relationship going because
remember I want him to come and buy the disappearance shorts for him.
Oh yeah. So anyway, Jodi and Scott have their own little friendship going on, and it really sweets me to know that like they get along so ridiculously well, you know, because they talk to each other all the time on the WhatsApp, and I don't even know what these conversations are that they're having. And I really love that you guys have your own relationship.
That we get along. I think it's very important for family. It's not important it's important for family to get along, but a lot of the times it does not happen. And it's sad when those relationships are strained, you know. But I think Scott is a great guy, and he's a nice friend to have. Now, don't go overboard.
Oh, you just swell him head.
Jeez, on Peter.
And he loves to watch football.
He does.
Do you love your Uncle Scott, Levi? Do you?
Well, I love the part when we go that bird book.
Oh! He said, "Me no love man, but me love
the bird. Yeah, me love the par. Me no love man, me love the par. Yeah. Elbow smack.
No. Hey, I shot some work with my bottom.
No.
Lady Desanya says our curls are popping today. You know what, lady? I have something to say before we get into what Jodi was going to start talking about. I just said to Jodi, I want to keratin back my hair. And I came in this morning and I just said to her, I wish every day my curls look like this because it's so few and far between that I have good day with curls. Jodi has consecutive good days with curls. Me, I don't. Like some days are good, some days are bad, and some days are super frizzy, some days are like just so I mean, I don't know, and I'm not very good at the curly hair either.
You should taste the gangbang.
Yeah.
The gangbang.
Hey!
The gangbang.
Nice, eh? No, that's not bad.
Not
Not
bad.
So I wanted to ask a question when it comes to like influencer life and like what you see on Instagram. So if you follow an influencer, are you more inclined to buy a product because she's advertised it and you like her, she's your influencer, or are you more inclined to buy it because you think she's endorsing it and she uses it and likes it?
I'm more inclined to buy it because I like if she's selling skin products and her skin is always super good, then I'm probably gonna buy the skin products from her. But like with Rihanna, her Fenty makeup, like her lip gloss gets me because I love Rihanna's lips. So like I always buy her lip gloss, and I always think to myself when I'm putting it on that I'm gonna get Rihanna lips. So it's not that maybe, and you can't tell me any different because I think her lip glosses are the best, but maybe they're not. But like for me, I think of her lips when I'm putting them on. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I use a lot of Rihanna's makeup, but I think she's so pretty, so I guess that gets me too. And Kat Von D, I love the Kat Von D makeup, you know. And
I think Kat Von D is now discontinued, you know. She had a lot of problems, you know.
really?
Yes, she had a lot of problems. She made a few racist remarks.
What?
And then the guy that she started going out with, or maybe she married, he was a known other than KKK, what they call him, an anti something.
You lie.
Yes, and so her makeup brand, people stopped buying it. They started
What?
trashing the product. Yes, so I don't think Kat Von D is
I
I
didn't
don't
know
think it's
that.
anymore. Yeah. Mhm.
But I liked her products because she always wore a lot of makeup, you know?
Yeah.
So, you know, going into that, Stevie is just so happy.
So somebody says, I want to support them as an influencer, but also want to purchase what you're interested in also. So sometimes then when you're looking, like, say if I was to post an ad on my page, you would start to disbelieve, like, ads for different things, like, let's say for paint. Would you start to disbelieve me when I started to advertise and for skincare products? You know what I mean?
Well,
Like,
I don't know. Like, I think that it has to be, for me, if I was advertising products on my page, it would be things that I use and I actually like, you know?
can you over-advertise though?
Well, I don't think you can over-advertise as long as it's things that you like. So I'm not going to start advertising things that I don't like or I don't use or that don't work for me.
Oh, she just removed herself from the brand. Oh, so you guys do know what I'm talking. Nope, Kat Von D is still available. If the product is quality, then I purchase it. Levi is an influencer. Levi, start selling stuff so mommy can make some money. School fees are expensive, you know. He wanted me to show you this. This is something he just wrote a while ago, and there's on my notes.
Mommy.
Annie Palmer, you're late, man.
Mommy.
Yes.
I will give you a card. Can you write your name?
Sure.
I will write another card for you.
See? Jodi. All right.
Mommy.
So, yes.
I have to erase. I have to get that out just because. No!
I've never seen a more funny J in my life. That
I don't
J
understand what
is
you want me to write. Why don't you write your name? Oh.
That J
So-
is the funniest J ever.
Okay, Levi, calm down. All right.
Mommy.
Yes, Levi.
You have to do.
So anyway,
Relax.
So anyway, the other day was the first day that I heard about the Omicron COVID variant, right? So the other day was the first time I heard about the Omicron COVID variant, and to be very honest with you, I didn't understand a lot about it because, like, I haven't been watching CNN. I've been in a deep dark hole of like a 6-month-old. It's so time consuming with a 6-month-old. Oh my God! Like, I don't have a nanny
just
or a
don't
helper
watch
every
news.
day. So there's a lot of cleanup involved for me. Like, I'm so overwhelmed. So anyway, the Omicron variant, I didn't know. Omicron.
Does it make you more scared than the regular variants? Or
I
it's
mean,
just
like, I haven't read up on it. I don't hear too much on it. So like I'm asking you guys, like, what do you think about it? Like, are you more scared about it than the other variants? Like,
I think the name is very strong.
it's very strong.
Omnitron. You're like,
Yeah.
whoa.
But I hear that if you have the vaccine, like the Omnitron doesn't affect you. I hear that it's easier to catch.
It's very from what I hear, because again I didn't do any research. It's very, very easy to catch. But if you're vaccinated, then it's just kind of like the common cold. So
It's Omnicron.
Omnicron. What were we saying? Omnitron? Oh, we are the robots.
Winsome 003 says, I only watch Judge Judy. Winsome, then you can par. Right?
Yes.
I love
You see,
Winsome 003, you know.
Judge Judy gets a hair pulled back now.
Yeah, she gets her hair pulled back.
Omnicron.
Omnicron.
It's Omnicron. It's more
contagious,
less deadly. Let's read together.
Omnicron.
Omnicron.
Alright, let's see the last
Nothing
one.
else there. Okay.
Okay. Alright, here one more.
I now divorce CNN, NBC, and Fox. They are all too annoying. More contagious, but not as severe. We sound like, you know, when you're immaculate, you're like, and you have to pinch your friend to start at the same time.
That's what you used to do.
And then we. It's not Omni, it's. Am I still saying it wrong? Omicron. Omi. No, that's an artist. Omicron.
What?
You know, the big O. No,
Tricky, has your hair grown since the use of the oil that Josh stole from Jodi? I think so.
Mommy,
That oil is pretty good. Yes, sir.
this way, Mommy. Here is your new passport.
Thank you.
So, Mom, this is you.
Just feel like this is not the Levi's show. This is Tuesdays with Tricky.
Mom, that's right there. I will make a card for you.
Okay, so let's embarrass Nana. That's the segment we're talking about right now. Let's embarrass Nana. Let's embarrass Nana. So, on today's episode of Let's Embarrass Nana,
On the top.
Nana went to the doctor.
Right on
Nana went to the doctor and she needed to use the bathroom. So she had to go bad. She was like, oh girls, you know, when I have to go, you know, Lord of mercy. So she go in the bathroom, she could barely lock the door, right? She locked the door, she fling her bag in the sink, she put on her pants quick. Well, the sink's tap was an automated sensor tap. So Nana is using the bathroom. Shh. The bag is getting soaking wet and poor Nana is now faced with a decision. Do I let the water wet up my bag or do I wet up the whole floor with the wee-wee? What do you think Nana did?
I would wet up the whole floor with the wee-wee.
To try to save your bag?
Yeah, girl. There's things in my bag I don't want to get wet.
Oh my. What did Nana do again? She saved her bag! We love you, Nana. She's probably watching like, you girls, I'm telling you, all you are so naughty. I cannot believe you tell everybody I wheeled up the floor in the bathroom in the doctor's office.
No, she went and she got the mop.
Is that production?
She went and she got the mop and she cleaned up after herself. She did not leave the floor like that. That was the ending of the
How many
story.
people would have really gotten the mop though?
She had to really go and get the mop.
She asked the front desk, excuse me, do you have a mop? I had a little mishap.
Boy, I'm just going home to my husband drunk.
Wow, oh yes, you stopped breastfeeding, eh? Wow. Alright.
I don't like drinking anymore though, you know, I can't take the hangover them.
You don't need to have, I bought so it might be up at Mail Pack. I need to go to Mail
But
Pack.
you don't need to have a hangover because you have magic pills?
Yeah, I got the magic pills. I got them there at Mail Pack. I'm gonna see if they work. Tiffany keeps telling me about them.
My birthday is coming up soon. I feel like that's a very Jamaican thing to tell people. My birthday is soon, you know.
Yes, but you have to celebrate your birthday for a very long, extended period of time.
Oh my god.
I don't even get your present yet.
Apparently Scott got me a present. He said, I hope you like what I've got you for your birthday. It's very expensive. I said, yeah.
Here is your new passport.
Oh, wow. This is like,
Who wrote his name?
Levi.
Ah, good job, Levi.
And he drew a little girl.
It's you.
What is it?
Wow.
It's you for your passport.
Your passport.
So everybody recognize you.
Oh, your picture. Oh, he gave a picture. Oh. So he gave Tricky a passport. That's her there.
And my mom.
And I got a passport too. So he put your picture at the top so you can be recognized. Did you talk about passports in school?
No, but I'm just making it combination.
Okay.
He's just making it combination.
Combination. Yeah, you're just flinging random words. That's how I do too.
That.
That's
And
makeup.
that.
That's makeup. Do you guys feel in the
Can I
Christmas
see?
spirit?
No. But why would you ask me that?
Do you guys feel like you're in
Mommy,
the Christmas spirit?
This is.
That's makeup, babes. Okay? Thank you.
Oh, we just got to follow us. Somebody just started following you. I know, Levi grown good. So then let me tell you something. So I got a bookshelf from my father and mother's house, right? That
So I have to make it seem like them don't give me things.
what do I ever give you?
I don't know. A headache.
I got a bookshelf and I started to do like a Montessori mom type of bookshelf thing. So, you know, it's not that I feel that I'm going to be a Montessori mom. Big up yourself, Sandy Lee, wherever you are, because she's like Jamaica's #1 Montessori mom. But it's that I just feel like some of their Montessori ways are very neat. So if you're living in small spaces, it works out better. So that's why I got it, because I just felt it. So you get the bookshelf and you put one toy in each cubby hole so that Stevie can go and choose what toy she wants to play with. And then she plays with that one toy fully before she chooses another toy, you know? And I
So
just
it keeps the amount of toys down, the amount of waste, the amount of excess.
Exactly. And then you can rotate the toys on the bookshelf. So you you take off toys that she's not playing with and you replace them with toys that she likes. So she constantly has like a good choice of toys.
Okay. I did like how it looked really neat. I saw the wall that you had put it on, and I do like how it looked neat. You know, I'm all about the neatness and the cleanliness. But also too, it's to appreciate the toys that you have there.
Exactly.
To not have like Levi and Remy, a whole box full of toys. What do you really play with? What do you really love? You know, and although I kind of go through them, and Christmas is here, and there's still unopened toys that I have in the garage. I find that that's a really good way to have you really play with what you love, see, use, you know.
So this is some sorrel, also made by Chef Jenny. Chef Jenny. I gave her we'll have to tag her at the end of this thing.
Yeah, Chef Jenny, your Instagram handle long like me don't know what, and it's spelled hard. AL dot can't bother.
But I find that this sorrel.
It's raining in Crossroads. Oh my gosh. Crossroads can't take no rain, you know. I feel very sorry for pedestrians in Jamaica.
Me too.
When it rains.
Me too. The other day I had to give Miss Rose little money, and well, the other day
to take a
cab home because I was like, yo, and she live far, you know. Miss Rose live far. She live very far.
Yeah, no man.
And so I was like, no man, it's not right. I can't send her home in this big rain. So I had to
Miss
say-
Arlene can smell the rain. She went, Auntie Jodi, I'm going to leave no here before the rain starts. Miss Arlene, no problem. Sometimes Miss Arlene all out of here by 12. Auntie Jodi, rain, I go. I was like, all right, no problem.
But she works fast though.
She works fast, but I mean, Miss Arlene can do whatever she wants. I'm in the business. What am I going to do? Keep her here to do what?
Well, I don't mind if Miss Rose leaves early as long as she does her work.
True.
But Miss Rose loves to spend her time
Talking.
chatting. And not only is she chatting, but now she has to play with Stevie.
Oh.
So she have to chat.
What
And
does
have
she
to
call
play.
Stevie? What does she call Stevie?
Apple, sweetie, titty moat. What does she call her? She calls
Titty
her,
mouth?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She calls her enough things.
Haiti can't catch a break? What the heck happened in Haiti now? I'm sorry, not up to date. Sorry, something happened to them. There was an earthquake, a volcano eruption the other day. I'm not sure where. Downtown and Spanish Town, the worst when it rains. Because I find that our sidewalks are not equipped for pedestrians.
No, they're not.
You have the light pole, you don't have a lot of space.
But our whole entire roading way and systems is so terrible.
Wrong.
Like, go to Havendale. No, sir. Havendale is scary to me. You just get lost and you're lost.
Yes, it's true.
Like if you take a one wrong turn in Havendale, you are lost.
Like nothing is on a grid.
No,
there's
that's
no
like
road
Red Hills
signs.
too. If you get lost in Red Hills, you are lost. Like lost. I don't know.
But if you have a map, you can get out.
Yo, for real.
Big up Google.
Yeah. Levi's gonna make me a map right now. So just, for everybody who is driving right now, just take it a little easy. You're in the nice comfort of your car. You're going to get to where you're going safely and quickly. just, give a little thought towards the pedestrians who are in the rain, their feet are getting wet, and it's going to take them maybe 2 or 3 modes more of transportation to get home. Okay.
I used to pick up pedestrians until I had a very scary experience, and then I
With Mr. Richter?
Yeah.
Tracy, man, oh my gosh.
Because I always feel sorry for the pedestrians. I do. So I used to pick them up to be like, oh, if you're going in my direction, I'll give you a drive and whatever. And then I picked up this guy, and he was just like, oh, yeah, I know you. I'm Mr. Richter. So I was like, oh, okay. By the way, he was not Mr. Richter.
By the way, who is Mr. Richter anyway?
I don't know.
So you were like, oh, hi, Mr. Richter. You thought you knew him?
And then, I'm just too fool for these things. I would continue the story, but I'm going to embarrass myself. I don't even want to tell you.
She took Mr. Richter home.
No, I did not take him home. I dropped him off by the chest hospital where he asked me for some money because he was going to visit somebody there and he had to pay the bill at the chest hospital. So I gave him some money to help.
So you drove him to where he needed to go and you gave him money. You're like the best person to
scam?
Yes.
I know. Do you not remember me in the kiosks at the mall?
Oh my gosh. So you know how you're walking through the mall in Foreign and they have like the little kiosks, they'll sell nail stickers, they'll send all kind of foolishness. She stopped and buy everything. As I come, hey, can I show you this nail thing? Tracy's like, no. She's like, let me show you. Tracy walked away, she start bawling. She come to me one day, she's a big woman by the way, and she started crying. She's like, they made me buy this nail thing and I don't want it, and then I got the super deluxe package and I don't know what to do. And I went back to the lady and I'm like, give her back her money right now. She don't want to buy this. You force her to buy this something and I had to make it seem. But you were pretty, how old were you? You were over 18. But I had to be like, she doesn't want this. Give her back her money.
I don't like to be bullied.
I had to bully the lady to get back your money. Then 2 minutes later, down the road, she was buying some headband thing. They were like, oh, look, it fits so nicely in your hand. And she was like, yeah, it looks good. Like, would you like to buy it? What about buying two? She was like, I guess I could give one to my friend. I'm like, get out.
I know.
If them have drinks selling and I see Tracy like, oh, I'm thirsty. Like, Tracy, walk on the outside. Walk on the outside. Do not walk near the kiosks.
I know, it's bad.
Oh, when her hair, she walking through the mall and her hair curly. Ay, hola, chica. Se le ve el hair, pelo, nice straight hair, very good. Sit and let me show you. And Tracy's like, I don't think it will match. Oh, no, it look very, very good. Look, it look like it's a style. And Tracy's like, oh, yes, I love that style.
I know.
I'm like, get out of the chair.
I know. I'm like one of those people that thinks that like communism is a great way of life because everybody's equal and we all have the same things. Like, I'm one of those people because like I just want everybody to be happy.
Like Michael Manley?
Well, yeah, but communism is very hard to actually work out without there being like such dire levels of poverty. So that's why communism doesn't really work. You know what I'm saying? But like the idea in an ideal world, like the garbage man is just as important as the doctor.
So what would they do? The pay salary or
everybody gets the same amount of money. Everybody gets the same amount of money.
Is this why people always say that Norman Manley was like the poor people governor because he wanted communism where Michael Manley.
Yeah.
Because communism was where persons of a lower income were able to be at an equal. Yes. Wow, we learned a little today.
Yeah.
But I don't know how you buying nail art and hair pieces leads to communism, but okay, no problem.
I want them to be happy. I want them to have money and to feel happy. You know what I mean? But it's just a lot. But communism does take a lot for it to work properly. And when you instill it, like sometimes it doesn't really.
Well, it's either communism or Animal Farm.
Nobody has really made communism work.
Do as I say, not as I do. So.
In this lifetime, but it's in an ideal world, Example: housing trust. Exactly.
Manley did that.
Spicy tuna. You always make me want some sushi.
I know.
Right?
Every time her name pops up, I get really hungry and I want like some, fancy sushi. Yeah. When the guy comes and
I think when I see spicy tuna, I think of like, You know when you get that sushi and it's the rice but it's fried and then you have the spicy tuna on top? The little square
crispy rice.
Yeah, crispy rice.
The crispy rice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Right. So I just wanted to say it's tuna. Spicy tuna. We keep calling her spicy tuna and the girl's name is spicy tuna.
Oh my god!
So every time we say spicy tuna, you know that we're talking to you, right?
I'm so sorry.
I saw tuna as well.
Oh god,
For
we're
months
old.
we've been, we are not old. Hi
Months?
Jamaican beauties. But for months we've been like spicy tuna. So do you know that we're speaking to you? Or do you think that there's another user on spicy tuna that's in backside?
I had on my Lady Bee goggles. Cheers.
Spicy tuna. Alright, we must remember that. We probably won't. I like spicy tuna.
I like spicy tuna.
tunas. Okay.
If you don't mind, Miss Turner, we're gonna keep your spicy tuna.
Yeah, can we keep your spicy tuna, spicy Turner? I think it was good. We kept like satisfied food visually, you know, and like we kept bigging you up like spicy Turner to backside. I can't believe this. After all these months, you tricking me. That's it. We were catfished.
I know.
We were catfished.
We were catfished.
Oh man, they got us good.
What the heck?
Oh man, keep it. Okay, alright, spicy tuna. How do you feel about the new announcement of Vaxxed Mass in St. Vincent? So basically what they're
What's
saying,
that mean?
so in St. Vincent, they're saying that they're going to have their carnival. All the masqueraders, all the bartenders, all the security, everybody involved, costume, delivery people, everybody will be fully vaccinated and they will be having their carnival in St. Vincent. How do you feel about that? I did see where Andrew Bellamy, the head or one of the heads of Jamaica, he said, and he's also a minister, he said, yes, I've seen what's happening in St. Vincent, but we are not there yet. What do you think?
So, I am going to speak from the point of view that governments and world heads want people to get vaccinated because they feel as though this disease or this whatever is something that could be controlled with a vaccination, much like polio, measles, rubella, meningitis. They think that COVID is something that is along those lines, which we vaccinate our babies for without question. BCG shots as soon as the children come out in Jamaica, they get their BCG shots. Everybody has theirs right here.
Yeah, but
we get
a BCG.
no. So we get measles, mumps, rubella. We get the rotavirus. So so governments are treating COVID-19 as a vaccination, and because of the new information age.
I think the what do you call it? No sound.
Oh, no sound. How do we get back the sound?
I don't know.
Is it back? Oh no. Is it back? We can't hear. Okay, turn me on. Am I on? Can you hear me now? Can you
Sound
hear me
off.
now?
Can you hear me now? No sound!
We can't hear.
Okay, let me end it and come back. That one little call, man.
Okay.
It's spicy tuna fault.
Spicy tuna! You're too hot. You're too hot. Okay, we're back.
We're back, and it's spicy tuna fault. Why the thing they did go?
Spicy tuna thought. Better, thank you. Okay, so what I was saying to you guys, right, is that I'm going to go from a different perspective, and this has nothing to do with beliefs of what the vaccine does and if there's any microchips in there or anything. Let's not think about that, okay? We're not going to go there today. What are we going to go there? Because everybody
I'm listening.
But you understand? And I don't want to say anybody's beliefs are wrong and anybody's beliefs are right. I did what I did because I thought it went for me personally.
So talk about the vaccine.
But I want to say that much like measles, mumps, rubella, rotavirus that we get vaccinated for, and we have been vaccinated for from our babies come up, right? The government has said, or world heads or whatever, for lack of better wording, let's just stick with government, right, has said that COVID-19 is one of these new things that we are going to have to now get vaccinated for. But a lot of people don't want to get vaccinated for, so they're going to try and encourage people to get vaccinated for it. So
You're
if
right.
St. Lucia wants to do this carnival, St. Vincent wants to do this carnival, then they want people to take the vaccine, so they're going to encourage people to take the vaccine. So guess what? I think it's a great idea for you to get people to take the vaccine as something that you want to do as a government. Then you have to allow the petitions and the whatever to have the carnival, and you want people to get the vaccine, then you're going to do that. And I think that is a great idea.
I think one of the biggest problems with persons who don't want to take the vaccine, and in a way I definitely do, I agree with you, but I took it anyway, is that yes, we've had the polio vaccine, the BCG vaccine, all kind of vaccine, chickenpox vaccine. This vaccine for COVID-19 in particular was developed in such a short period of time that they're not ready to trust something like that that's so new into their bodies. And I think that is what the problem is. But I do agree, if the government, if the ministry wants us to take the vaccine, you need to give us a little bit more, you need to give us a little bit more, what's the word? Give
Notice?
Not notice, motives. Give us something, not just KFC. Open the entertainment industry.
It's basically blind, rotted. Shade wanna use word parts. Corison. I know it sounds French. Are you French? That was a big word. I'm not bashing government. I was just using that word, as I said, as a lack of better wording.
So it would be the ministry.
The ministry or whatever. The people who want us to get
take the
vaccine. I wasn't bashing anybody's government. I was just saying that incentive.
We need some incentives. So they say, okay, let us open the entertainment industry, and whoever wants to party can party, but you must be vaccinated.
And I think that that's a great, for you wanting to give people something, you have to give them a good incentive. So I think that's a good idea for incentives.
Oh, that's a good one. COVID is a type of SARS which they have been working on for years. You know what? We are guinea pigs now. You know, I feel
like we're always going to be guinea pigs with everything that happens, though. And I'm not saying yes or no to that. I'm just totally getting onto a whole new topic of conversation, which is going to be us being guinea pigs. Because yes, I do think that we are guinea pigs, but I think that we're going to be guinea pigs for the rest of our lives, because there's so many things that are coming up with this new age of technology. Everything is changing and moving so rapidly in this world that we are constantly going to be guinea pigs. For instance, I saw on one of the Christmas gifts that you can get, Disney now has a little robot that I saw two kids hiding in a pile of teddy bears, and they were like, robot, come and find us. And the robot came and scanned the teddy bears and was just like, hey Jodi, hey Tracy, I see you there. And then the Jodi girl was like, how did you see us? And he's like, I will always recognize your faces. So like, I think that we're guinea pigs in the way that we are. They're always normalizing our children to robots. You know, that's kind of like a guinea pig sort of technology too. How do you feel about that, by the way? About that little robot I told you. It's kind of crazy, right?
Yeah, but I find that there's been we're preparing for robots because the kids have been playing with robots for quite some time. So we've been guinea pigged on. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't know. I think that as we progress technology-wise, that we're always going to be given something else, something more. Now you have the AirPods with no wire, but we were being trained for this from day one with, you know what I mean? I think that we are guinea pigs, and people are always going to be testing stuff on us.
Yeah. I saw that article that robots can reproduce. I saw somebody.
That's weird.
I didn't even understand it.
I didn't even read it because I knew I wouldn't understand it.
Over my head. I felt like I was like, I just don't understand this. I just like went over my big head. You know?
We can't bother with that. So let's get on a lighter side, because you know, I find that when we talk about vaccines, when we talk about COVID, there's always such a big divide. I find that this is just another topic to split us more divided. You know, we
want to be united.
There's so many things that we have to fight about, and then this is just like another thing. There's politics, there's religion, there's you know, everything. And then this is one more thing, and I just find that it just adds another level of, you know, making friends fight, making us have this whole, you know, you're wrong, I'm right, and it's not cool. So, you know, Tuesdays are tricky, as we said, we want to bring.
So what's a new topic you're talking about?
These Instagram pages where they're like doing all of this decor, okay? they have this kitchen table and they're like, oh, on my kitchen table, I'm going to take this glass vase and then I'm going to wrap it with rope and then I'm going to put these Christmas balls in here and add feathers and everything looks so nice and clean and white. And I'm like, your kitchen counter has nothing on it? Where's your toaster? Where's your, don't you have kids? Like, where's your crap? You don't put your keys, like, well, I don't understand. Is this like a show house? How is it that you're doing this whole kitchen decor on this counter? A vase of flowers, there's a vase of balls and a tree, and I'm like, my kitchen counter has crap all over it.
Yeah, where's your banana?
Yeah, your banana. Where's your fruits? Where's your banana?
I have to buy bananas before I go home. Stevie eating bananas.
I don't understand these like foreign decor pages. It's like, where's all your shit? Like, where's your stuff? Where's your stuff?
Yeah, I don't know. And then like it gets me how huge their kitchen spaces are. Like, okay, where I used to live.
That's bad mind.
That is bad mind. Where I used to live before, I literally had like this much space to work in. Jodi at Salisbury.
Yeah, your kitchen was small.
And I used to bang out some dishes out of there,
yeah,
right?
you did. Yeah.
And now I have a bigger kitchen now. And I'm so thankful for it.
But you don't have space to put like a flower, a feather decor thing?
Absolutely not. Scott can barely even fit in the kitchen at Airdrie.
Scott can barely fit in your house. Jeez. Or they're like, oh, homemade air freshener, and you put vanilla and citrus, and I'm like, you have gas for that?
I know, it's Designs by the Shoe says it's stored in the cupboard for the aesthetics. So every time you want a piece of toast, you're gonna go into the cupboard, take out the toaster, plug it in, and then afterwards, after the toast is done, you're gonna take it and plug
Sean
it
never
back
puts
out.
back the toaster. My toaster is over here for aesthetics, and you have to put it over here because the plug is over here. Nobody ever puts a toaster back. It's always me to put the toaster back to leave the aesthetically pleasing space. Like, there's life. You don't fling your keys down.
Let me tell you something. If you're going to wait on man to do anything that is in the kitchen, you're going to wait a really long time. Because yesterday...
Unless it's cooking with Shane 876.
How do you know?
I don't know. I just feel...
Scott cooks me breakfast on the weekends, FYI, and he does a very good job.
Yeah.
I love when he makes me eggs.
I wish Cooking with Shane would get in touch with me so I could be like, yeah, well,
He makes
Cooking with
the
Shane
best
made
boiled
me
eggs.
some whatever he makes.
Scott makes the best boiled eggs. He also does a
Boiled egg is a dish?
He doesn't.
Boiled egg is not a dish. Yeah, made cook boiled egg for them man when them wake up Saturday morning. Boiled egg is not a dish.
Your husband never cook you boiled egg? He never cook you fried
He
egg?
bought the eggs and fertilizes my eggs. He doesn't need to make
Scott
no
fertilize my egg too.
no boiled
And
egg.
then Scott sets the table and then he gives me my breakfast. He calls me. He says, Trey, you want to wake up? I made breakfast.
Sean said to me, he's like, the kids want to make you breakfast in bed for your birthday. I'm like, absolutely not. God knows what you guys will be down there making, and then everybody would want
You're
like,
so mean.
no, they're gonna want me to eat it, and then Levi's gonna be like, with his willy hand, like, you know, he just wee-wee and a drop of wee-wee when it's out there, but it's morning time. Nobody washes their hands in the morning, and then he's gonna want to be dipping the bread in the egg and all kind of stuff, and then I'm gonna have to be eating your wee-wee willy French toast. Who wakes up and washes their hands before breakfast? They don't even brush their teeth. I don't eat no willy French toast. And then I can just imagine Sean trying to like, you know what Sean extra to be like, oh, let's make cinnamon toast. Cinnamon. I'm like, no, it's okay. And I have to clean that up. I'm good. We don't need no fries. Like, the kids really wanted to make you breakfast in bed. I'm like, they can buy me breakfast and downstairs.
You're so horrible.
No.
I mean,
You wash your hands when you wake up?
yes, I do actually.
I'm sorry, because what were you doing in your dream? Plowing?
Because I usually wake up and go wee-wee and brush my teeth.
Well,
and my
okay,
hands
as
get washed.
an adult, okay, it's true. I do wake up, brush my teeth, bathe, wash my hands. I don't even wash my hands, I bathe. But as a kid, you're not gonna be like, oh.
But they don't brush their teeth?
No, they brush their teeth after breakfast. I know, when you were a kid, you never woke up and brushed your teeth. You used to be frowsy about, Mommy, can I please have pancakes?
I used to brush my teeth.
No, you did not, Tracy, your frowsy mouth.
You have frozen mouth. And I never said pancakes. Pancakes.
Daddy, you know what Mommy did? Daddy's like, what? She dipped the bread in the egg.
Yes, my mom was making French toast and I freaked out, okay?
And we're like, that's how you make French toast? Like, no, that's nasty.
I never ate French toast for a really long time after that, so I'm not gonna lie.
So I wanted to ask a question. I see where lots of like, I guess I follow enough like what you call it when you talk people into like they're a powerful person and they're like be
Influencer?
good. No. Lord have mercy.
Ambassador?
A guider woman.
Spiritual guru?
No, Lord. So people talk a lot about vision boards and you know you must do a vision board or you can write down your goals you want to
Motivational
meet.
speaker?
Yes!
Thank you. Share.
Okay, share. Thank you. What, read a lady? Did I say read a lady?
You sure did.
Oh.
You sure did.
I don't have a read a lady.
How come you're following motivational speakers that's so like not
Okay,
you?
they were. I guess I got caught in like you click and you keep going. So I got caught in like a motivational speaker kind of tunnel.
Yeah.
And they all seem to like you want to write down, you want to follow so you can see through, and it's very visual. So like once you see it, you want to tick it off. If you don't do this vision board, if you don't write these things down, are you then setting yourself up for failure?
Well, no, I mean, I spoke about this actually, Jodi, in one of my Tuesdays with Tricky's Corners.
I do remember that.
And I said that you have to decide on what is going to be good for you for your personality type. I personally don't like to do vision boards and I don't like to do things like that because I think that life changes so rapidly. Never when you do your big vision board and you say, oh, I'm visionizing the BMW, when you only get the BMX bicycle, are you not happy for what you've got?
I just find that such a far disparity.
Yeah, but life is like that. Life is like that. Life gives you far disparities. And you don't know what life is going to throw at you. Life may say to you that this year is not your BMW year. But then you've gotten something else that's really good. But does that mean you're a failure? No, it doesn't. It just means that you've gotten what you wanted in a different area of life. So I don't like to do that personally because I don't like to put expectations that may not be able for me to meet because of the way that life is, up and down. So vision boards work for some people. I'm not saying no. But if you don't want to do a vision board, don't feel bad. It may not be what's going to work for you.
Because I feel like the way that I'm so organized and, I feel like maybe a vision board would work for me. But then sometimes I get so lazy and I'm like, but if I put something on my vision board and it doesn't happen, am I a failure?
Well, then if you are getting lazy, that's a different incident. So put it this way, Nicole McLaren loves a vision board and she loves to talk about her vision boards. A lot of her posts are talking about her vision board. And I appreciate that. I appreciate Nicole McLaren's post because she is so excited and enthusiastic.
And it works for her.
And it works for her. So she speaks about what works for her. I find that your personality type, where you're very didactic, is very similar to Nicole's personality type. So maybe a vision board might work for you. Because then you'll be able to see what you want, you'll be able to work towards.
So much.
And you'll be able to put down the steps to be able to work towards your goal. That does not work for me. I'm too artsy-fartsy. I'm too all over the place. But I don't think people give a lot of thought to artsy-fartsy people that are all over the place. You know what I'm saying? It's more, you have to be didactic to get what you want. And I just don't feel like life is like that.
Kim says I should save like pictures in my phone. And that could be a sort of vision board. Every time I hear a vision board, I just kind of see myself sitting down with a magazine, cutting out things and like doing like a
that's what
montage.
Nicole does it. But
really?
But yeah, that's how Nicole does it. But Kim gives you a very good, very, very, very good. And you could even put it in a folder. You can have different folders for photos in your phone.
Yeah. True. Alright, let's wrap up.
Oh, it's time to wrap up already?
Oh yeah. Alright, did you have a Tricky's Corner for today?
Oh, I did.
The Bible says, write the vision down and make it plain. The Bible says, write your vision down and make a plan. Vision board. Oh, there are vision board apps as well. Winsome kill me today. I will Winsome Depan now. Winsome 003. Get the app.
Lulu says get
Stop shouting at me, Lou. Before I just mess up your name too. Big up to Spicy Tuna.
Drew says it's called creative, not artsy fartsy.
It's okay.
Oh no, let me get my
She's getting out her. And now, a word.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Okay.
If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Okay, so today I wanted to talk about simplifying your schedule. So going back, you know, the other day I had a girlfriend and she was talking to me and she was feeling very overwhelmed by everything that she had to do. And I was saying, well, why don't you write it down so you don't forget it? That was the first thing that came to mind, to say to her, oh, hey, girl, why don't you write it down? And she's like, I have written it down, but it still feels like so much. It still feels like so much. So I was like, in my mind, I'm saying, how can I help her? Because she's clearly feeling overwhelmed with what she has to do. So I wanted her to simplify her schedule. So in simplifying her schedule, I wanted her to break up, so write down what you have to do, right? And then I wanted her to break it up into days of the week that she would be able to do it. So maybe on Monday, she was going to deal with glazing the ham. Right? But maybe the ham couldn't actually be glazed on Monday because she'd have to think about it. But I needed her to write out everything she's going to have to do in the week. And then when she realized on Monday, okay, to glaze the ham, I'm going to have to go to the supermarket to get the honey, to get the pineapples, to get the cloves. Then on Monday, she could do that. And when she had finished doing that part of it, she could then put the rest of it into some other parts of her schedule. So it was more like just simplifying your schedule so that you weren't becoming so overwhelmed.
Because when you think of everything one time, it's a lot. But if you write it down to must do, need to do, you can kind of see, okay, well, this has to be done on Monday. Supermarket has to be done this day before this.
Exactly.
Simplifying your schedule.
So just
That's
simplify your schedule. Yeah.
Because when you think, that's why I always have lists. So when you think about the whole 500 of things that need to be done, of course you have a lot to do and it's going to stress you out. But then when I start to think of, okay, so this has to be done this time, this time, this time. And that was something that I did today with simplifying my schedule, because I had Tuesdays with Tricky and Levi had his class party. I'm the class rep for his class. And, you know, just being able to go and pick up my lady bee. I had so many things to do today. And what I did last night, you know me, see my list book here? I wrote everything down.
That passport paper?
My passport paper, yeah. And I just wrote everything down and kind of what needed to be done at what times, you know?
Right.
And I got,
So see, simplifying your schedule, it does work. It can work for you. It's not something that's like miraculous. It can work for you. Let me see how I look with long hair.
Yeah, but my hair and your hair are not the same.
Damn.
See, your hair color, this hair color looks terrible.
Yeah,
on
but
you.
I can't see that far anyway.
Oh.
I just wanted to see.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for catching us for another episode. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching us on another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind out of the closet.
No! Where we take your mind off of everything outside of the closet and bring you into the closet for an hour of fun,
frolic, and foolishness. Anyway, guys, next week is Tricky's birthday. If you are a company...
Oh my gosh! It's on Tuesday!
So this is what I'm saying. If you are a company and you have a product, why don't you send it in? Email me, jodijinx876@gmail. Email me. We will be, or she will be, accepting all products, items, foods, and gifts for her birthday. And of course, she will talk about them on the show.
It's my birthday on Tuesdays with Tricky.
So if you have something that you'd like to send into Tuesdays with Tricky, you
so
can
you
send
guys
it as
are
a
going to
gift.
share my birthday with me. Oh, this is so it's my birthday on Tuesday. Whoop, whoop, 29. Whoop, whoop,
Oh yeah,
29. Whoop, whoop, 29.
Alright, everybody, so if you have a product, service, or anything at all that you want to send in as a gift to Tricky, we are going to open them, show them on next week's show. Make sure you email me. It is jodijinx876@gmail.com. Thank you so much for joining us on today's show, and we will see you next week. Bye, everybody.
29.
29.